Okay, back with the dark chocolate one. This is the others of bed. It's also on sale. You can see, unfortunately I don't have much space to open it, but it's exactly the same as the lavender. Same style, same model, it's just different color for the leather. No visible marks. It's in pristine condition. Unfortunately, a light. I'm not sure if you can see the real color. It's more dark than it looks like in this screen. I'll show you from the back. Again, no marks. This is just excellent condition. Again, same type of leather. I'll try to take a few pictures because I wonder if in the video it looks too bright. So this is it, 3-seater sofa. It looks too bright. I'll try a few pictures.